freezer.
What is called that?
Construction adhesive. Once you go in the back, there's a shut lights on.
Huh?
Walk around the back, so I shut the lights on.
Hold on, I'm filming it.
Go that way, then maybe you get another one. No.
That needs right there.
Mm-hmm.
That needs right there.
Okay. Just leave it there. Try it off to this side. No. There you hit her. No.
What the hell with green up there?
Oh, yeah.
Done?
Crown will hold it up.
I'll have to make it.
Is this done?
Yeah. We gotta take the crown molding out yet, but we're not doing that today.
Which one?
This.
Oh, okay.